Okay.
So are we all ready? All right. So we're dealing with the ear. The ear has three basic sections to it. We have an external ear, which is going to contain the auricle out here and the external acoustic meatus. All right. At the end of the external acoustic meatus, we'll encounter the tympanic membrane, which is our eardrum. Okay. The eardrum basically represents the border between the external ear and the middle ear. All right. The middle ear contains this chamber right behind the tympanic membrane called the tympanic cavity. Connected to the tympanic cavity, thank you. Connected to the tympanic cavity is the eustachian tube, which runs down to the pharynx, or the throat. Now, in the tympanic cavity are three small bones. The bone immediately behind the membrane is called the malleus. The malleus articulates with the incus, and the incus articulates with this triangular-shaped stapes. Okay? Now, if I remove that, we can see where the stapes makes contact with the oval window. And if I raise this whole thing up here, which is our inner ear, you can see the oval window. All right? The oval window is just a membrane that borders the middle ear and the inner ear. Right? Directly below the oval window is the round window. Okay? Now, this entire mass represents the inner ear. The inner ear has two main parts. The snail shell that you see here is the cochlea, and this deals with hearing. The remaining portion of the inner ear is the vestibular apparatus, and this deals with our sense of balance. The vestibular apparatus has two parts. We have this swelling right here, which is known as the otolith organ, and then we have the semicircular canals. At the end of each of the semicircular canals are these swellings, which represent the cristae ampullaris. Extending from the inner ear to the brain will be this nerve. This is the vestibulocochlear nerve. It travels through the internal acoustic meatus to exit the temporal bone and travel to the brain. Okay? Anything else? Does that cover it all?